Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix USB ports that are not working on Windows. Let's get started. First, go to the search bar and type Device Manager. Click on the first option that appears. Scroll to the bottom of the Device Manager window. Expand the USB Controllers section. Right-click on the last option in the USB Controllers list. Select Properties. Go to the Power Management tab. Uncheck the option that allows the computer to turn off the device to save power. Click OK. If this method does not work, then go to this option. Right-click on the device again and select Uninstall Device. Wait for the uninstallation process to complete. After uninstallation, do not restart yet. Click on the Scan for Hardware Changes icon. Restart your computer. After following these steps, your USB ports should be working again. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.